Hey everyone, this is Amans here and welcome to AMBPi. In this video, I will explain you the solution of this question. But before this, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. Now, in this question, it is given that this is the triangle and this line is the angle bisector because this is alpha alpha. Both are equal. So, this line is the angle bisector whose length is 12. Okay. And this is the 6 unit and this is the 8 unit. This is the side M and this is the N. We need to find the value of the product of Mn, that is Mn. Okay now. So, here is the solution. Now, since it is given that this is the length angle bisector, that is 12, and we know that the formula, note this formula, in any triangle, okay, in any triangle, this is the triangle ABC, and if this is the angle bisector, this two are equal angle bisector, then the value of D, that it means the length of D, that is the angle, the angle bisector length, that will be the square root of the product of these two, okay, AB and AC, AB and AC minus BD and DC, okay, BD and DC, okay. So using this formula, this is the formula to find the length of angle bisector in any triangle, okay. So this is what, this is A, this is B, this is C, okay, and this is the angle bisector length, that is AD. So AD will be what, that is the square root of what, that is AB into AC, that is Mn. Minus BD into this is 6 4 48, and it is equal to what, that is the angle bisector length, that is the 12, okay. So the square root of Mn minus 48 is equal to 12, okay. On simplifying this, we get that 48 on squaring these two both sides, that is the 144. So overall Mn will be, that is 144 plus 48, okay now. So this will be the sum, final sum, that is the 192 now. I think 4 is 12, that is 4, yeah, that's good. Mn will be, that is 192, okay. So the final product is Mn is, that is 192, okay. I hope you understand this solution. Please subscribe my channel and like this video also.